All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over 8 alternatives to Google Ads. So Google Ads has search platform, display platform, video with YouTube, and the Google Display Network. So there's really no other marketing channel like it. There's so many different things you can do with Google Ads. They have so much data in terms of analytics. They can follow people around the internet basically because Google Analytics is on every single website you visit. So Google Ads is really the best platform for advertising in my opinion, but there are some alternatives that can help you spend your budget in optimal ways. So maybe if you've already maxed out your Google Ads account, even if you want to run other ads alongside Google, we're going to show you some alternatives today that we highly recommend using. So the first one, Bing Ads. So Bing Ads, you can import your Google Ads search campaigns directly into Bing Ads. They don't have the same display or video capabilities that Google does. But in terms of search ads, Bing Ads will perform as well or better than Google Ads, in my opinion and in my experience. So if you take your Google Ads campaign, you can import it directly into Bing Ads. All you need to do is create an account, set up your billing, and you can have Bing Ads running by the end of the day. So this is the closest thing to the Google search platform because it uses the Bing search engine. It uses about 50% of the Yahoo search engine. So you get a ton of search volume. And if you're not using Bing Ads, you're just missing out on those opportunities. And generally, there's not as much competition because not as many advertisers are using Bing Ads. When people start, they generally go to Google, and then the bigger advertisers focus the most on optimizing their Google campaigns, and Bing Ads is usually secondary. So with Bing Ads, you can usually get lower cost clicks than Google, and you can get the similar results. Especially with certain industries, Bing Ads can perform really well. So highly recommend at least testing Bing Ads. This is probably the number one in this list that I would recommend you test because there's really, really great results coming from Bing Ads. Number 2 is going to be Facebook ads. So they have a lot of different products. So just coming into overview here, you can see Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Workplace. So they have a lot of different ways that you can advertise with Facebook. Facebook and Instagram are huge. The Audience Network is huge. So you can target all of these different ad network where people are looking through their social media pages and you can serve them really targeted advertisements. Facebook has a ton of data about their customers because everyone goes on Facebook and likes pages. They basically will tell Facebook what they enjoy doing. And then in addition to that, the Facebook pixel is similar to Google Analytics in that basically every website you visit probably has a Facebook pixel on it, and that Facebook pixel gets so much data about people that when you're able to target, you can find people with really, really targeted interests related to what you're trying to sell. So Facebook ads, Instagram ads, it's a great platform, and it's something you should definitely test if you haven't already. We have some tutorials on our channel for Facebook and Instagram. We're going to have some new ones coming out soon, so highly recommend trying Facebook ads in addition to Google ads. A lot of opportunity there as well. Number 3 is going to be Pinterest ads. So you see here, reach more people with promoted pins. My favorite thing about Pinterest ads is you can return visual ads to people as they're searching keywords. So let's just say in the example here, so from Philadelphia. So if someone's looking for a cheesecake recipe or pie recipes, you can put, from Philadelphia, they can put their recipes onto Pinterest, and then part of the recipe for Philadelphia is using their ingredients. So it's a really great way to target people who are actively looking for something useful. And if you return a useful advertisement and involve your products and services in there, you can get a lot of results from Pinterest. It's really great for, you can see here, so shopping with fashion, home decor from Target, so travel from Expedia, food from Philadelphia. So those types of niches are great on Pinterest. We do it with beachfront decor and farmhouse goals. We'll run promoted pins a lot, and they'll help not only grow your Pinterest profile, but they'll drive a lot of targeted clicks to your website and people that will convert. So highly recommend trying Pinterest ads because you can target keywords there as well. Number 4 is going to be Amazon advertising. So if you have an e-commerce website, if you're selling, Amazon ads can help you reach people who are actively browsing Amazon and shopping. So we come down here a little bit. They have a video that you should watch if you're not familiar with Amazon advertising, but some of their products, so sponsored ads, you could reach Amazon customers with cost per click ads for your products, display ads, video ads. So you can build a multi-page website on Amazon for your brand. So if you have already a Shopify store, you can sell on Amazon as well and run these ads. Highly recommend trying Amazon ads if you're running e-commerce, if you're trying to sell products, because the people who are browsing Amazon are ready to buy. You don't generally just go to Amazon and browse and browse. Generally, you're going to Amazon with a purpose. So it's a great way to reach people who are kind of in the buying decision process. So number 5 is going to be LinkedIn ads. So with LinkedIn, If we just scroll over advertising here, you can see they have a ton of different ad products. So feed ads are the most popular, message ads, so you can actually reach people right into their email box in LinkedIn, text ads, dynamic ads, programmatic display ads. So a lot of different ways that you can reach people. They also have video ads over here as well. Some of their features, so conversion tracking, contact targeting, lead generation. So if you're trying to drive leads, especially B2B leads, so business to business, LinkedIn is a great way to do that. You're reaching people who are trying to grow their professional network. So it's really more geared towards people who are, either trying to find jobs or advance in their industry or trying to find information related to their industry. As someone who enjoys marketing, if I go on LinkedIn and I see something for, marketing research, I'll pay for that because it's something that will help me achieve my goals better. So LinkedIn, another advertising product, they have a ton of capabilities. It's really improved since the first time I've ever used LinkedIn. So highly recommend trying LinkedIn, especially if you're looking for more business to business type advertising opportunities. Okay, so number 6 is going to be AdRoll. So AdRoll is great for retargeting in my opinion. So if you want to run more retargeting ads, AdRoll is a great way to do it. They have a ton of integration. So if you're running Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, any of these e-commerce, if you're running your email list through MailChimp, HubSpot, Marketo, so a lot of these different options here with AdRoll. And the best thing they do is that you can see here, be everywhere your customers are. So it says your shoppers are all over the internet. AdRoll Convert reaches them wherever they are, whether that's across top sites, Facebook, Instagram, or directly in their inbox. So with AdRoll, what you do is you set up the AdRoll pixel on your website. They're able to use that data. You can set up conversion tracking as well. And what AdRoll does is it tries to find the people who have visited your website and retargets them with ads as they're browsing the internet, brings them back to your website. It's a great platform. It gives you access to a little bit more inventory than Google, and you can manage it all right through AdRoll. You can create your own campaigns. You can separate them out by the different networks where you want them to be. If we scroll down a little bit here, you can use dynamic ads as well, so you could actually see the specific products people have come to your website to visit and see, and you can serve those ads back to them. So AdRoll, great platform, something I highly recommend using. I've used it a lot in the past, haven't used it as much recently, but I can only imagine it's gotten better and better. I used to work with them directly a lot, and they have a lot of great ways to help you grow your business. So AdRoll, something you can try, especially if you're looking to set up more retargeting ads. So number 7 here is going to be Twitter ads. So Twitter has a couple different options here for you. So you can either do promote mode. So if you're looking for something a little bit more hands-off, what Google does is they'll automatically promote your tweets, specifically the tweets that are performing the best for you. So if you're tweeting a lot, you don't want to launch a Twitter ads campaign. You just want some of your tweets to be promoted that have performed well. So maybe you're putting out different articles, different videos to Twitter. What Twitter's going to do is take your most engaged tweets and they're going to help promote them automatically for you. Otherwise, you can launch a Twitter ads campaign. So they have a lot of different options when it comes to Twitter ads. So you can do setup by campaign objective, general campaign setup. So pretty self-explanatory. You come in here, you can start your own campaign. You can see quick promote, create a followers campaign, create a tweet engagement campaign, create a website clicks or conversions campaign, app installs, promoted video views, awareness. So they have pretty much any type of goal that you're really looking for, whether you're trying to grow your followers, whether you're trying to drive traffic to your website, whether you're trying to encourage people to download your app. Twitter has a lot of different ways to reach people who are using their platform. Personally, I haven't had a ton of success with Twitter, but for maybe a smaller budget or maybe trying to grow your Twitter brand, it's worth trying. Okay, number 8 here is going to be Yahoo Gemini. So it's just gemini.yahoo.com. It's native in search advertising. So you can actually, it's using the AOL, Yahoo, Tumblr, Huffington Post, and TechCrunch. So it says they serve 2 billion ad impressions per day, 1 billion monthly active users, 165 billion daily intent signals. So they have different ad formats, search ads, image ads, video ads. So it's kind of similar to Google ads, but not nearly as good. So they offer some of the same type of ad formats that Google Ads does in terms of search ads, image, video, app install. So you can try to reach your goals with using some of their different ad formats. It's definitely something that's worth testing. I haven't had a ton of success with Yahoo Gemini compared to Google and Bing. My cost per conversion is generally not as good on Yahoo Gemini. I haven't been able to use it as effectively as some of these other platforms, but maybe it's something you want to try to test. If you're looking for ways to spend your budget, really any of these 8 AdWords alternatives are great places to spend your budget and test. Obviously, if you're getting optimal results from Google, you don't necessarily need to use a ton of different other ad networks, but in terms of using Facebook, it can help grow your pages. Same with Instagram ads. So Facebook ads, Instagram ads will help grow your audience there, and then you can continue to target them with your content. Same with Pinterest ads, same exact thing. You can grow your Pinterest audience. So those are some alternatives to Google Ads. You could definitely test some of them if you have more budget to spend. If you're looking for different ways to target people with your products and services, there's some other channels that you can use. Personally, Google Ads is my favorite. It's the one I know the best. So it's the one I'm always going to create the most tutorials about and talk about the most. But I'm hoping to put out more tutorials about some of these other alternatives as well so you can use them effectively. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching our video today, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.